Hi, Robbie and Daniel. Today we're going to learn a new concept, and we are crazy about circles today. So, I wanted you to first take a look at your new vocabulary words. This first one is circumference. Say it with me, circumference. Area, area. Diameter, diameter. Radius, radius. Okay, so I want you to think about pizza. Think about your favorite pizza, all the toppings that you like on it, and think about how much dough it would take to make that crust, and how much sauce do you have to put on your pizza. So we're really going to dig deep into that deep dish pizza and think about what it takes to make our pizza. So on your paper, you have two circles. And I want you to think about the pizza. And first we're going to look at the crust, okay? So I want you to use your orange marker, and I want you to go around the outside of the pizza, just like I am. Right? The crust goes on the outside of the pizza. So the outside of the pizza, or the crust, is what is called our circumference. So write it around the circle with me. Circumference. C-I-R-C-U-M-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. So the circumference is like the crust of our pizza. Then we have to put sauce all in our pizza. So we're going to use our red, and we're going to color in our pizza. Okay, so our sauce is going to be the area. So I'm going to draw an arrow because I can't see with all the sauce I put. Area. So the area of a circle is the sauce that you put on the circle. So that's the first thing we want to understand about circles, is the circumference is like the crust on a pizza. It's the distance around a circle, okay? And then the area is the space within a circle. So the area is all the sauce that you put on, okay? Or all of the cheese that you put on top of the sauce, right? So that is going to be the area. The two other dimensions that we need to talk about for a circle are our diameter. So think about, okay, you're eating pizza with your best friend, and you are going to share it. So we're going to cut our pizza in half. So I want you to draw a line across your circle. You're going to cut your pizza in half because you are a super great friend, and you're going to share your pizza. Okay? So when we cut our circle in half, that is going to be our diameter. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. Our diameter. So the diameter cuts your circle in half. It goes from one side of the circle to the other, and it goes directly through the middle. Okay? Now you're going to get your green marker. And so you went to lunch with your best friend. Your best friend already ate all their pizza, and you still have your half left. And another friend comes along, and they want some pizza too. So you're going to cut your half in half again. So we're going from the center to the edge of the pizza. That is called the radius. R-A-D-I-U-S. S. Now, the way that you can remember the radius versus the diameter is look at how long the word diameter is. Diameter is a longer word, so it's going to cut your circle in half. Radius is a shorter word, so the radius is half of the diameter, okay? Right? Because if you look here from the center to the edge of the circle and then the center to the other edge of the circle, 2 of these green lines would make up our blue, right? Okay, so now that you can label your circle, I want us to go and look at our formula chart, okay? Because these problems that we're going to solve together, we're going to talk about finding the circumference or the crust and the area.